So you're probably wondering how I got here. Well, stay tuned and I'm gonna show you. So guys, things didn't go exactly according to plan. When she did do a pretty decent flight, she came down for a crash landing, and this is the result. So we have another desk ornament.
Welcome to noprosrc. Enemies.
Okay guys, here we go. A little bit better, but I'm still having issues controlling it. But it's better than it's been. Would you agree? Let's try again. To control. She's not doing nothing I want her to do. I'm pushing forward on the remote and she's going backwards. It's like it's almost reversed. I have no idea what's going on, but I'm flying better a little bit. Let's get it. Oh no, oh no. I lost her in the sun, but she was way up high and I still really couldn't control her. But if it would fly right, it's fun. Oh no, we got major damage. Ooh, I think she's broke, Captain. Y'all look at that piece right there. That's a wrap. Son of a. Well, it was good while it lasted. So now she really will be just a desk ornament. And on that bombshell, y'all should subscribe just for my pain crashing my helicopter for you guys. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button to share my pain in crashing and breaking my helicopter. Now I gotta get another one. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That sucks. So until the next video, there won't be a part 5 on this helicopter, guys. Turning her off. She's signing off for good. Y'all be easy. Peace.
watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.